Job Safety Analysis 101. In light of past and recent incidents, an apparent need has developed for industry to apply the highest order of risk controls to avoid repeat occurrences. All accidents, injuries, fatalities and occupational exposures are preventable, and, with the goal of zero harm in the mining industry, any incident that compromises the safety of personnel is unacceptable. As we have learned from this video, a JSA is not just a tick and flick exercise. Vigilance on behalf of both supervisors and workers is paramount to completing an effective JSA, and in being able to spot any unseen or secondary hazards. Most importantly, everyone involved in the work must know about the risks involved and the measures that need to be taken to avoid those risks. Remember, don't use JSAs as the default primary tool to identify hazards and controls when the job has the potential for serious injuries, illness, equipment damage, or environmental harm. A JSA should only be applied to a job when the hazards and resultant risks are known to be low, there is no procedure or SWI, or when developing, modifying, or reviewing a procedure or SWI. As a minimum, a good JSA requires input from an experienced team comprising a supervisor with job-specific knowledge and persons with hands-on knowledge and expertise in the job described by the JSA. All JSAs require sign-off by a job-experienced and JSA-trained supervisor. JSAs are only valid for the job at hand and must not simply be recycled from job to job. To ensure hazards and resultant risks are properly captured and addressed, JSAs should be performed or reviewed at the work or job site prior to carrying out the job. Ensure the JSA team has the necessary resources available to compile the JSA. Skill, sufficient time, JSA form or worksheet, including appropriate hazard prompt checklists, etc. When undertaking a JSA, do not only consider the basic issues such as slips and trips, but also the primary hazards that exist in the job. These may be from potentially damaging sources or energy, gravitational, kinetic, thermal, mechanical, chemical, and electrical, and those that are created or released as the job progresses. Although the focus of this video has been on developing an effective JSA, it is important to note that all levels of risk management are equally important in overall safety and health management.